Hey YouTube, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick light blue teal look, and I'm going to fast forward through the whole foundation stuff just because it's in my last video. I will link up in one of these corners. So let's get started. Okay, so with my eyeshadow, I always go in with NYX's Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in white. I always give this a layer, that way the colors I put on are gonna pop. So I just use one of these eyeshadow applicators that you can switch them out on. Okay, so to match my top today, I'm going to go in with this blue shiny, you can use it as a highlighter too, but I'm going to use it as the first color, and then go in with this like light tealy green on the outsides, and then I'll match my top. So pick this up first. Now I like to do a cleaning set of my eyes just to prevent fallout. It's just a super easy, simple trick. I know it looks silly, but it works. Now I'm just going to flip the applicator over and use the back side. So again, just going to go in with this color here. Again, I'm going to apply this on the corner of my eye. So I'm going to get that nice like clean line for the edge of my makeup. And that is the final look. Yeah, so this is hair up. And usually wear my hair half up, half down. Alright guys, this is with the look hair down. So that is the look for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know if there's any other colors you want to see meshed together. Also hit that notification bell and subscribe so you get notifications on when I'm going to be posting next. Awesome, I hope you all have a beautiful day. Bye!